Good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending this planning meeting for our barangay flood control infrastructure project. Let's begin with our presentation. I'll be walking you through the key points as we go. Please refer to the screen. Our barangay experienced repeated flooding over the last few years, damaging homes, schools, and roads. These infrastructure projects aim to reduce risk through proper drainage and flood management system. Kyla, can you elaborate the initial findings from the field?
Sure. Based on our early site inspection, several zones, especially along San Isidro Street and the Lower West Canal, show poor drainage flow and heavy silt buildup. We identified critical flood points where water tends to accumulate. This will be prioritized for clearing and possible widening. Also, we need cooperation from the barangay for property access and temporary road closure during construction.
Thanks, Kyla. Now let's take a closer look at the proposed infrastructure itself. The plan includes canal widening, drainage upgrade with reinforced culvert, rainwater catchment system in the high-impact areas. This will be executed in the phases, starting with site surveying, design validation, and construction implementation. John, can you brief us on the structural design direction?
Absolutely. In terms of design, we'll make sure the drainage system can withstand high volume rainfall, especially during monsoon season. The main canals will use a precast box culverts with reinforced concrete walls. We're designing for at least 25-year flood events standard in line with DPWH requirements. But first, we need to conduct soil testing by next week to validate structural loads and subrogate condition.
We're also mapping out timelines and responsibilities. And for the site survey and community coordination, Kyla, we will be starting on July 20. And for the design and engineering validation, John, the deadline of it should be July 25. Documentation and barangay briefing, myself, including budget working and permitting. This project will also require coordination with the residents, so we'll schedule community consultation by the end of the month. We will begin survey this week, soil test and design draft by next week, community consultation the week after. Our next face-to-face coordination meeting is set for July 24, 10 a.m. right here. Is there any question or points you'd like to raise before we wrap up? So, thank you again, team. Let's stay proactive, keep communication clear, make sure our timeline stays on track, and send out a printed checklist and weekly updates form later today. That ends our meeting. Have a good day ahead, everyone.